Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is a heart chamber or muscle chamber setup, and it has, this one is a heart electrode. I show you that here it is to be attached here in the chamber on the left with the screw. On the back, this one is a lever, heart lever. Here it is to be attached, any heart is to be attached here with a thread, or so that when there is a movement it grafts. And there is another lever here also. Here we have the adjustment. This is an optional lever, a special lever provided with this particular model is going, and these are for this is to be attached to the heart. And when external signal, these are the external, it is coming from external stimulator, and when it is to be put on a signal, you give the signal, one signal goes to the heart. This is a electrode. There we have the adjustment. You can make these adjustments. You can put it on any angle. You can adjust here. You can adjust it on front side or back side. You can adjust it anywhere or as per the heart. This is for putting the water inside corks, and this is for attaching to the chamber. This is a heart chamber, heart electrode, heart lever, and this is a muscle lever. You can put it on muscle with this. Here in the bottom side you can see there is one here, it is attachment here. Similarly, the arrow, this arrow can be attached to this section, and this is for attaching. Whenever there is a to be recorded, this will record all the lines, and you can put one spare gel pen here, so it will record all the lines or experiment. Or if you give a signal, this signal will go to the heart, and then reaction will be there. You can record these things. You can WhatsApp us and check us. What is needed is +91 India 99922222049, and our email is abron01@gmail.com. What website? abronexports.com is the website. You can WhatsApp. You can do all the see the other videos also. Muscle chamber, myograph, and signal. All different instruments are available with that. Thank you very much.